BigoLive, a popular live streaming app, offers multiple opportunities for users to earn money. In 2024, as the app continues to grow, here are 15 ways to make money with BigoLive. 1. Become a verified partner. BigoLive's partner program allows users to earn a commission on the app's advertising revenue. To become a partner, you need to have at least 500 followers and maintain an average viewership of 500 people per stream. 2. Host sponsored streams. Brands often collaborate with popular BigoLive streamers to promote their products during live streams. As a streamer with a significant following, you can charge brands for sponsored streams or product placements in your streams. 3. Sell virtual gifts. BigoLive allows users to purchase virtual gifts that they can send to their favorite streamers during live streams. As a streamer, you can earn money from these gifts by setting your own prices for them. 4. Participate in BigoLive's contests. BigoLive regularly hosts contests that offer cash prizes to winners. As a streamer or viewer, you can participate in these contests to win money or other rewards. 5. Become a Big Show host. Big Show is BigoLive's premium content platform that offers exclusive live streams and shows. As a Big Show host, you can earn a higher commission on your streams and access more resources to grow your audience. 6. Collaborate with other streamers. Collaborating with other popular streamers can help you reach a wider audience and earn more money through virtual gifts and sponsorships. 7. Utilize BigoLive's advertising tools. BigoLive offers various advertising tools that allow streamers to promote their streams and earn money from ads played during their streams. 8. Utilize BigoLive's merchandise store. BigoLive's merchandise store allows streamers to sell branded merchandise to their fans directly through the app. This can help streamers earn money from their merchandise sales without having to manage their own online store or shipping process. 9. Utilize BigoLive's fan club feature. BigoLive's fan club feature allows streamers to charge fans a monthly fee to access exclusive content and perks, such as personalized messages and shoutouts from the streamer themselves. This can help streamers earn a consistent income from their most dedicated fans each month. 10. Utilize BigoLive's tipping feature. BigoLive's tipping feature allows viewers to send virtual tips to streamers during live streams. As a streamer, you can set your own tipping rates and earn money from these tips. 11. Utilize BigoLive's virtual items store. BigoLive's virtual items store allows streamers to sell virtual items such as costumes, hats, and accessories to their fans. This can help streamers earn money from their fans' purchases. 12. Utilize BigoLive's live shopping feature. BigoLive's live shopping feature allows streamers to sell products directly to their fans during live streams. This can help streamers earn money from their fans' purchases without having to manage their own online store or shipping process. 13. Utilize BigoLive's live auction feature. BigoLive's live auction feature allows streamers to auction off items such as signed merchandise, personalized messages, and shoutouts to their fans during live streams. This can help streamers earn money from their fans' bids. 14. Utilize BigoLive's live karaoke feature. BigoLive's live karaoke feature allows streamers to host karaoke sessions during live streams. As a streamer, you can charge your fans for the opportunity to sing along with you. 15. Utilize BigoLive's live game feature. BigoLive's live game feature allows streamers to host live game sessions during live streams. As a streamer, you can charge your fans for the opportunity to play games with you. By utilizing these features and strategies, BigoLive users can earn money in a variety of ways on the app. As the app continues to grow, we can expect even more opportunities for users to monetize their content and grow their audiences.